How have you over time made peace with the cynical realpolitik that we live with? And you mentioned Mamta and Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Your example is on point. Some might turn around and, I don't want to make this overtly about party politics because this is about you, but just to understand how you look at politics. Some might turn around and say the Prime Minister called the Nationalist Congress Party corrupt and now a section of it is with the BJP. What I'm trying to say is the jaded citizen probably thinks ये तो राजनीति में होता है, सबके साथ होता है. All parties for realpolitik come together unexpectedly when they need to.
Well, let me give you a specific example of this, how the Prime Minister is not cut from the same cloth that the rest of them. Pratap Sarnaik, who was with the Uddhav camp, originally in the entire Shiv Sena when it was together, he was one of the leaders who was accused of corruption. It was called the Tops case. Uddhav ji's government, the MVA government was there in power. They filed a C-summary report against Pratap Sarnaik saying that he is not guilty of any corruption. It was all a mistake. This was in December 2021. Our government in Maharashtra came to power in June 2022. The cases against Pratap Sarnaik were all. Those who say that we have compromised on corruption in December 2022, and you can fact check this, ED got up in High Court and said the closure report given by the EOW in Mumbai Police is wrong. We are going to continue this case. Which case has stopped when we have, let's say, the allegation is that we've allied with allegedly corrupt people. Can you show me an instance where the cases have stopped? They say about Mukul Roy, right? Mukul Roy was grilled by the CBI when he was our vice president.
So you're saying the cases will continue. I'm saying why ally?
I'll tell you the reason. Because in the heat of political statements, lot of statements are made back and forth. Somebody may call me corrupt. I may call somebody corrupt. The one thing we all rely upon is a court judgment. A court judgment or a court process is at least is an objective parameter on the basis of which then you can decide that, look, at least here there is a court proceeding. Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, by the way, when he was with us, had labeled Sharad Pawar as Mahabhrasht. How come he went and allied with Sharad Pawar?
I'm saying everybody does it. मैं तो ये नहीं कह रही.
No. But I'm explaining the difference between BJP and these people. Now, on the basis of his statements, he was our ally, he was our senior partner for a very long period of time. Should we not consider his statements to be true when he says that the NCP is guilty of corruption? He then goes and allies with Sharad Pawar. The same Sharad Pawar who says in the name of secularism, I will never ally with Shiv Sena. They had in fact said Shiv Sena is responsible for the Mumbai riots. The Shri Krishna report, Balasaheb Thackeray was put in jail in 2000. It was the Congress NCP government. The two of them ally. That is fine.
No, it's not fine.
It is
same. I would ask them the same question. I would ask them the same question.
No, but the point is that we have made statements which are all backed by court of law or proceedings of law. Lalu Prasad Yadav has been convicted 4 times by a court of law. Yeah. He's been convicted 4 times. Is there any confusion whether he's corrupt? And those who are facing charges will continue to face those charges. It is not the UPA government that we used to withdraw cases from Lalu when he wants to ally with us, then start the case against Mulayam Singh Yadav ji, then withdraw the disproportionate assets case. Contrary to that, in our government, even if there is an allegation of corruption, it will be investigated. It will go through the process of law. If you are guilty, then you'll have to face the music. If you're not, then you're fine.
Let's talk about how Shehzad Poonawalla...
By the way, may I just add one point? You know, this entire narrative that ED, there is no case on Dilip Walse Patil. He's a founding member of NCP. Why did he come with us? And if Ajit Pawar is so corrupt, as they claim, he is the mastermind of this corruption, why was he the leader of opposition of the entire MVA? तो आप करो तो चमत्कारी और हम उनको ले ले तो भ्रष्टाचार. He's not in our party. He's a separate party. He's there. He's aligned with the government. He's supporting the government. If there is any proof, first of all, you accept that the corruption took place under the Congress NCP government in 2014.
Okay.